But had the same problem as usual, so the plane wouldn't take off. So I threw the plane by hand. Kind of flew like for 10-20 seconds, and it came down and it broke the nose, broke the motor off, the motor mount, the balsa, the plywood all fucked up, broken. So I'm still thinking, wondering, waiting to fix that. I might not fix that because I'm just fed up with it, period. Had enough. We will see. I'll try again. I have another electronic speed controller to put on the plane if I decide to repair it. So, as I'm probably gonna order a new plane, a foam plane, what we call a foamy. So, probably gonna order one fairly shortly, very soon, from a somewhat local hobby shop, local dealer, and in the south shore of Montreal. So they'll probably send it by mail. I'll order with their credit card, and they'll get it within 24 to 12, between a window of 24 to 48 hours. I'll probably get it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that this afternoon. Probably, I don't know, it's gonna cost $250 to $300 or something like that. It's gonna be a brand new plane not made out of balsa, made out of foam, and it's gonna have a motor already installed, electronic speed controller, and the servo is already installed. It's gonna take about an hour to assemble it because everything's gonna be there already on the plane. So I'm gonna do that this afternoon, probably 250 bucks. Maybe it's gonna cost $280 with the tax. It's not very expensive. I think the RC car costs 180 bucks with the tax, and it already came with a wheel radio for the RC car. So yeah, I think I'll do that. I'll order online from this semi local hobby shop here. And that's pretty much it for now. I just ate that horrible ice cream that you saw and drank some barrier water. So anyways, I'm gonna try to fix the other plane, we'll see. And I want to get in a successful flight, or a few successful flights, so I can put my GoPro on the plane. So I want to film the flight with the GoPro as a passenger on the plane, so you can get an aerial view, so we get a big view from the top, from the park and all that great stuff, to have a nice little shot there, nice video from up above. That's what my goal is. That's what my intent is. If I had a helicopter, I'd probably just shove this camera onto the heli. My whole goal for this plane is to make a movie from high above. That's what I'm trying to achieve here. The plane not getting off the ground, I can't do that, and it's extremely frustrating. I've had so many RC planes, electric ones, and over the years, and flown so many planes, and never had an issue like that with the ESC. But apparently sometimes you have to recalibrate the ESC. And there's also, they sell a card, a programming card for it as well. I've never used that ever. And that's that. Thanks for watching. We'll try to make a successful flight, a successful video for the plane. I've made, at this stage of the game, several videos of my RC car, the Electrax, as you've seen or not seen. One video I had placed the camera on the car for POV, point of view. So patience is a virtue. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'm going to show you this little bird that's here. If the zoom works. Okay, I have the full zoom on, so zoom is working fine. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment for fun, subscribe if you like my crazy YouTube channel. Thanks, bye bye.